Let's talk about situation. When inflation is high and unemployment rate is low, government and central bank chooses contractionary fiscal and monetary policy. That is, the interest rates are increased. Now, when inflation is low and unemployment rate is high, government and central bank chooses expansionary fiscal and monetary policy. That is, the interest rates are being reduced. That will increase the inflation, that will stimulate the growth, and that will also reduce the unemployment rate. Now, when inflation is very high and unemployment rate is very high, what policy they should choose? If they increase the interest rate, that will increase the inflation, and if they don't increase the interest rate, the unemployment rate will keep on increasing. The central bank wants to choose contractionary monetary policy so that the interest rates are increased and inflation is in control. But the government wants to use expansionary fiscal policy, that is, the interest rates are reduced so that that will stimulate the growth and employment rate will decrease. When this type of situation is called stagflation, where unemployment rate is also very high and inflation is also very high. So what is the outcome of this situation? Is the interest rate increased or decreased? Well, that depends on the priority of the country. If inflation is far away from the targeted range, first the central bank will choose contractionary monetary policy, that will they will increase the interest rate. When unemployment rate is very high and growth is very low, expansionary fiscal policy will be chosen, that is interest rate will be reduced.